The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Remove the filters and frame by unclipping the side tabs and pull the frame out. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058C filter into the tray, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Install the filter housing door. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.